What are normal cramps in early pregnancy? In most cases, mild tummy cramps are a normal part of early pregnancy. They're usually linked to the normal physical changes your body goes through as it gears up for carrying your baby. Some women get cramps with a little bleeding when the embryo implants itself into the wall of the womb. This happens at roughly the same time your period would normally start. You may also feel some cramping as your womb starts to change shape and grow ready to accommodate your baby. Some women experience cramps when they have an orgasm during sex. This can be a little scary, but there's no reason to stop having sex unless your doctor tells you to. At around 12 weeks, lots of women start to feel sharp pains on one or both sides of their groin when they stand up, stretch or twist. This is just the ligaments that support your womb stretching as it grows. Stomach cramps can often feel similar to a variety of other more familiar pains and cramps. You may experience pains that feel like heartburn or period pains in early pregnancy, but in most cases they manifest themselves as a stomach pain or tummy cramp.